It's been 2 days since I have did anything to my hair. So this morning, I feel like doing something to my hair. So let's get to it. Then get up, get dressed. So guys, look, it's time. It is time. Now I know y'all see these clippers, and I know I said that I wasn't gonna cut my hair and blah, this and that. But y'all know that we did a scalp cleanse. We did a scalp cleanse, and I don't like to put anything on my hair after I do a scalp cleanse. I just like to, reap the benefits of that for a couple of days or whatever. So I just let my scalp breathe. I don't put nothing on my hair, and if I do, it's either a leave-in conditioner or an aloe vera and water. Y'all know that, just for a little spritz, right? So this morning, I feel like doing my hair. Y'all know what that is. Toner. So, since I have let my hair breathe and just be and not do anything to it, today I am going to go pick up a rinse and put it on. But before I get all off into my day, I'm just going to I'm not even really doing a cut, really. I'm not doing a cut. I'm just doing an ends clip, a very slight ends clip, It's just going to be very mild, guys. It ain't going to be nothing big at all. It's just uneven like a mug, which I don't really mind because of the way we wear our hair. You can't tell it's uneven anyway. But it's just something about a slight ends clip that I love. So basically, I'm just taking off. Can y'all see the little bitty hairs that's like right there? Let me find a pic. So y'all know, because of the weather, I told y'all I really don't like to wear my hair out sometimes because the weather won't permit it. It's just too cold to be going outside with your hair wet. So, I just let it grow. I just let it do what it's going to do. But the times that I do wear my hair, y'all see how much my hair done grew? And we just cut our hair off July 29th. We did a top texturizer on it November 10th. My hair is so strong. Okay. It is so strong. I'm happy. Yeah, so everything is working out good with it. I just stayed on top with the texturizer when I did my texturizer. By the time I decide to do my texturizer again, guys, the texturizer will be gone that I just went on top with. So, let's see. I'm just going to start just doing a light ends clip, guys. Nothing big. And what I mean by that, guys, I'm just going on over the very, top. Just like that. These sideburns is getting a little bit too long for me too, so. I finally found a pretty ponytail, guys. I found a beautiful ponytail, but guess what? I know I will wear that sucker all the time. So, And really, ponytails aren't my friend because wherever I put them, they take my hair out. Because that's where you have to gather your hair and everything. I don't care if I use glue. I don't care if I pin it in. Wherever I put that stress on my hair with that ponytail, it is going to go thin. So, I notice, guys, that when I do an ends clipping, that I leave this wide. I'm trying to train myself not to leave this so wide. And what I was telling you guys is, it's cold. It's cold. This is the time for us to take care of our hair. I love clipping my ends because it also trains me on how I want to cut my hair. And I take chances with the ends clip. I'm going to cut it off anyway, right? So that's what I take chances with. And my hair just goes and it starts shaping the way I want it to shape. I didn't make any mistakes because that was hair I was going to cut off anyway. Right? So I got to watch myself because I have a habit of getting off into this hair and really going too far. I said I was just going to do an ends clip, and I see already I'm doing a haircut. But guess what? That's okay because it's my hair. And I love this. So guys, since I am going to wear my hair today, I am going to wear my hair. We are going to do ratios. We're going to get the right ratio for the last concoction we mixed up. Okay? So if y'all want to try this mixture that worked so well on my hair last time, we're going to try to do it with ratios. My hair is longer across here. I think I'm going to take all that off. I think I am. Yep, I think I am. Let's see what the Andes do. And I'm going to have them closed. So at first I was going to wear a hair piece because I said that I didn't want to cut my hair, right? I got the hair piece together. I got that hair piece together, guys, and as soon as I put it on my head, I could not. I could not. So I said, what do you really want to do then? I said, I want to wear my hair. As you know, when you wear a wig, I'm going to try to find a film for you guys. My hair, not only do it come out around here, but it turns white around here. And sometimes that stuff itch. Guys, y'all know this turned into a haircut, right? This turned into an ends clip haircut. It sure did. I'm feeling a certain type of way already. And guys, I'm going to tell you this. I just don't trust barbers no more. I really don't. Ever since that barber messed up my hair, I know some good barbers out there, but I ain't willing to take that chance. What I am willing to do is learn how to cut my own hair, and I can keep it cut anytime I want to keep it cut, and have a fresh, clean cut every time. What they say about teach a man to fish. And at one time, guys, I was so good at cutting my hair. Then I got into this thing of I want to treat myself. Treated myself straight to a bald head. Some of these sideburns gotta go. I don't come down. They just sticking out. I don't need them long like that. Y'all already know that I do not put the clippers to my skin anymore. You know, like lining up back here. I don't do that anymore because my scalp my skin turns blood red, and it also goes white. I'm gonna see if I can get it. Some of the last times that I was doing the clippers, my skin turned real red and it turned white. I know the habits that I got when it comes to cutting my hair. And like I said, I always leave this wide. I'm gonna get out of that. I do want to take the bulk out down here. Y'all know, all in the summer, I was clipping this off, well, fading this off, and fading off the sides. Remember, I was just constantly doing that. See how it done grew back already? So guys, see how, that's all it took. That's all it took. Because since we wear our hair curly, it don't matter if it's like even. This is just what I prefer to do. When I feel like I need an ends clip, I will practice cutting my hair in a shape with the ends that I am going to cut off. And that's a good way to try to teach yourself how to cut your own hair. Oh my goodness, this is way better. Yep. All right, guys, well, that is it. Our hair is clipped, and I am happy with our ends clipping, haircut ends clipping, because that's what it is. And I have to get out of here. I have a lot to do today, so come on back and visit me. But do not forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Leave in the comment section down below anything I did not address in this video, guys. Know that I appreciate you. Thanks for coming by, watching the videos, thumbing up, leaving comments, and subscribing. So, guys, until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, love one another. And I'll talk to you later. Mwah.
Then get up, get dressed.